Let's make some oregano oil. Let's say you buy a large amount like this. You only needed a little bit, or even you just want to have the oregano oil around. And why? Simple. Let's say you want to saute a piece of chicken. Extra virgin olive oil. And we're going to put that 2 cups of extra virgin olive oil in there. It's great to saute in anything. And it has the flavor of oregano. It's a very simple operation. You're not going to boil this. Well, you can't boil oil. We're going to heat this and heat it on a fairly slow flame, like so. See how low the flame is? I'm going to come back in a half hour and we're all done. Let's say you want to make pasta, your own pasta, or make a loaf of bread. Use this oil for the flavoring. You have it. It never goes bad. You're going to taste this. The flavor is permeating through the entire house. That is so good and so strong. What else could you do? What did I say? Anything that you put into the bread machine. If you want the flavor of oregano, instead of using butter, use this oil. Anyway, I'm going to strain it through this chinois after it cools down, and there I have a cup and a half of oregano oil. Enjoy.